And now for something completely different.
Alright folks, something a little bit different for you today. I've been trying to get in shape, and while supplements certainly aren't necessary, they can be convenient, and they might help you fill in some holes that you've got in your nutrition when you're in a high caloric deficit. Also, it might be a good way to get some extra water, or just provide yourself with a fun little treat. So here's a easy hack. It's not even really a hack. Just something fun that you might do to make a little treat for yourself. Start with 1 serving of vanilla flavored protein powder. And then with that, we'll put some orange flavored goodness. In this case, it's a fiber supplement, sugar-free. There's also carb supplements, or there might be something else that you're taking that's orange flavored. And we'll add 1 serving of stevia. And finally, if you got anything else that you think you need, you can throw that in. This is unflavored. Glutamine. Shake that well. Maybe throw in a few ice cubes. Boom. Creamsicle flavored protein drink. Again, totally not necessary to waste money on this kind of stuff, but if you want a healthy treat, this is a fun way to have one. By the way, Blender Bottle Pro, highly recommended.